Let's begin installing our brand new subfloor. First, we're gonna get this insulation behind us cut to size.
Yeah!
I love how it's literally 105 degrees outside, yet it looks like it's snowing all over our bus.
Now that we cut and measured all of our insulation, we're gonna be using this PL3 premium construction adhesive to glue all of our insulation to the floor of the bus. Let's just jump right into it. We just finished installing the rest of the foam board insulation. So now we're gonna use some of this aluminum tape to seal the gaps in between each piece of the foam board.
All right, give me a marker so I can start.
Because all the panels of plywood needed to be cut to the same width, I decided to go ahead and cut 2 sheets of plywood at once to save time, which is such a great idea. We're working in Florida. Florida has been in a heat advisory of 100+ degrees for the past 40 days in a row. I don't know if you can tell, but we're right in the middle of it. All right. Now let's go cut some wood.
Just finished our 4 first front panels of subfloor. Now the only problem is that a lot of people don't think about is because we're working in sections on the bus, everything that we have in the back as like tool wise and all of our materials, we now have to move to the front. So anytime we're doing a project, we literally have to just shift all of our shit back and forth the entire time, and it's really time consuming when we're already doing all of these other projects.
This might seem like an obvious tip, but I had no idea. When I used the poker tool to make a hole to break the foil seal in between this little plastic bit and the actual adhesive, making a tiny hole makes pumping it much harder. I just made a huge hole, and that made all the material come out a lot smoother. I wish I knew that, because when I was pumping 40 feet of adhesive back and forth, that definitely would have saved me a lot of time. let's.
We have a floor.
It took a lot longer than we anticipated, but we did it right.
This floor is so much better than the one we did on our previous bus, and we are so happy with how flat and stable this floor feels.
It feels really great to have such a solid foundation that we're gonna build our home on top of, and knowing that we did the floor right makes me feel really good.
This was the first part of the build, and from here on out there's gonna be more wood in this bus, and this is only gonna look more like a home with every video.
To all of our new subscribers, thank you so much for watching our videos and enjoying our content.
If you don't know, we post all the time on YouTube Shorts, so make sure to check those out if you want to see more projects on this Skoolie build.
Thank you so much for watching.
And make sure to stay tuned for more Jess
And Jake. Bye!